I told you that it's not working well. It is the percentage is ridiculous. I know that, but I also don't have much work to do. I basically get the leads from my social media. So what I want to know, it is like, I'm sure I'm going to end these partnerships when I go back, because it is not working out well. So I'm going to make sure that I do a smooth transition between apps and how I'm going to do, like with the current clients I have, how, I'm going to manage that. I'm going to bring these people, or I don't know, I'm going to talk to them if they're going to allow me to bring I don't think it would be a problem, but I'm going to need time to build the other platform, to transition all the old clients and get new clients to the other platform. So I want to know how it is the best way you suggest to do this transition. And can I do all the questions?
So you want to learn how to transition clients?
Yeah.
From apps, or like transition in terms of packages and programming?
Both. I feel like in the first place would be transition to apps.
Okay, let's take care of that first. Transition apps. So what do you use now?
System 2. It's like a white label, that's how we call, right?
And how much are they paying, your clients paying you?
It depends, every client is different, but it's like $175, $200, $130, it depends.
Okay. How bad do you need that money? Because if you raise prices, you're going to lose some people, but it may offset people that will pay you a little bit more. So you could say, hey, everything's going to be getting better. We're going to Trainerize. This is going to cost me more money, but your experience is going to be 10 times better. So you can maybe go up $100 per month. And it just depends how low you want to work for. Are you okay working for $130 a month?
No.
Okay, so then you just tell them, hey, the price is $500 a month. You can stay or you can go.
I would offer them like a little less, change, like $100, but especially because when I do it myself, I'm not giving any percentage, so the money would be all for myself. I would do it if it is like, oh, Fernanda, I like what you're doing. I want to be with, keep going, doing this. I would do it.
Yep.
It is not a lot of people, so I would rather have them there if they like what I do, and then see how it goes from there.
Yeah, so you know what you'll be happy making, so you raise it to what you're going to be happy making, what you think is fair, and just make sure that they see the value. Like, okay, here's why I'm raising the price.
Okay.
They have to understand that to want to pay for it. They're not just going to say, okay, yeah, I'll just pay you more for no reason. So you'll say, hey, I have a lot of clients now, and so I need to raise my prices because demand is increasing and because your experience is going to be much better now.
Okay. So I'm going to set up the new app, right? And do you think I should tell them in 30 days in advance?
Yeah, I think that'll be nice. Yeah.
Okay. 30 days noticed. Okay. Okay, another question I have is about the type of content that I create, right? What gets attention on my page is my workouts. And I see you guys do a different style, and I don't want to change because I'm going to lose followers if I do that.
Why do you think that?
Because I know people are there. I know I lose followers a ton every day, right?
I do too.
Yeah, but I feel like people are there, and people being there, it gets me good money from collaboration. So I don't want to risk losing clients.
You don't have to stop doing what you're doing. I think I would just add on what I showed into what you're already doing.
How frequently do you think?
Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. you post the viral reels stuff that I showed you. And then 11 a.m. you post your collabs and your workouts and that kind of stuff.
So twice a day. Okay, so for the workouts, 9 a.m. or 11?
Viral, 9 a.m.
Viral is the ones that you do. You know my workouts go viral too, right?
Yes, viral is different for everybody. But yes, I would do mine at 9 and then yours at 11. What time do you post right now?
At 10.
10. So yeah, you just push yours back an hour.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, once I start my new online coaching, what is the price point do you think I should start with? Before, I was doing $1,500, $1,600 for 3 or 4 months, depending on the person.
But you're not doing that anymore, obviously, right?
No.
You have to feel comfortable with sales calls if you're going to charge that, which I think you should. That's what I would do. So if sales really gives you anxiety and you want to just test a little bit, you can do $750 if they pay it all up front for 3 months, or $900 if they pay per month.
3 months. You think 3 months is a good way to do it?
I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So then you're going to have a 6-month one too.
Okay, $750, $900 if it is monthly payments.
Correct.
Okay.
For 6 months, you're going to do $1,500 for a payment plan, and $13.50 if they pay it all up front.
$13.50.
Yeah, and then you're going to do 1 year. 1 year is going to be $2,400 if they payment plan, and $2,250 if they pay it all up front. That's only for your first 5 newest clients that sign up with your new app.
First 5.
Yep. So that way you get some reps and it's easier to sell and get people in the door at the low price when you're just starting. Your next 5 will be $1,500 for 3 months.
3 months. Okay.
It'll be $13.50 on a pay in full. 6 months will be $2,400. $2,250 if they pay in full. 1 year will be $4,200, or $39.50 paid in full.
Okay.
Those are after your first 5 clients. Now, every time that your close rate, you know what I mean by that? Close rate?
The percentage of close I have?
Percentage of closes from your sales calls. Once your close rate goes above 50% and you sell at least 10 people, bump up your prices.
At least
10 people.
Okay. How much percent should I increase?
Go up. You can do 10%. I usually do $200, $300 to $300 per package.
For the message is the hardest part for me. How long do you think I should be doing the message myself?
Until, I'd say 90 days, until you do 3 months of at least, say, $10,000 per month.
3 months, and from these 3 months, I have to make $10,000 per month. Okay. And then after that?
At least $5,000 a month. Very least. If you really, 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 really hate it and it makes you want to cry.
You know what I feel like? I don't know, it's because I learned English here and I feel like it's hard for me to formulate and engage in the way you speak, it is like another level. And I feel like I'm not on that level.
Well, you can't compare to me because I've been doing it for so long. I've done it so many times.
You'll
get there.
I'm gonna give an example. I have this friend of mine, she's very smart and she writes me so many good stuff and I answer with a very short sentence because I cannot formulate. I'm very practical.
So if it's a language, is it a language barrier or you just can't think of?
I am a practical person. I don't like writing a lot. I don't journal, stuff like this. I feel like it is a lack of exercising this type of stuff. So I feel like if you ask me something, I'm gonna be very practical on the answer.
Is that because you don't want to type everything out or you don't know what to say back?
I don't know what to say back because I don't want to be rude. I don't want to be intrusive. Like you said about you were asking how much money you have in your account. I don't know if I'm going to be able to ask a person that.
That's a very uncomfortable question, but the reason how you say it is, do you mind if I ask you a personal question? So you're getting permission first to ask it. You don't just say, well, if you can't afford it, why don't you tell me how much is in your bank account so that way I can see how much money I can take from you? No, totally understand. So money aside, you do want to do this. It's just a matter of figuring out what fits with all your bills. Yes. Okay, Fernanda, I really want to help you and I never want money to be the reason why I can't help somebody. Do you mind if I ask you a personal question surrounding your finances? If they say no, they probably don't want your help that bad. I've never had someone tell me no.
Because you're really good. We're really good.
I just told you exactly what I do. Why can't you say what I just said? It was anything intrusive, very kind, very soft, and coming from a place of I want to help you.
Okay.
Because if you don't know their financial situation, you can't help them. The only way to help is to get more information.
Okay.
So yes, it's an uncomfortable thing to ask, but what happens if you keep saying, I'm not going to do it because it's uncomfortable?
No, I have to I know I'm missing on this type of things. And I know,
So what's that block? When you think about your future and everything that you want, if this is the one thing holding you back.
I know it is. It is something that I treat in therapy, actually. I'm very afraid of being rejected, It's another story, but I promise I'm going to do my best because I know it's the way to do, I
have to do it.
Yeah. And then when I feel like after this three months messaging and, how many people are there, you said?
50 minimum.
15. And
ideally 100.
Instagram doesn't flag you to do that by doing that?
You do 25. So if you message your followers, you can do 25 per hour. If you message people who do not follow you, 10 per hour.
I'm going to message my followers.
25 per hour.
Per hour. Okay. And another question, I don't have to follow them back, right?
Nope.
Because I feel like, I have to stop this because I cannot be following everybody.
No, it makes your account look really bad.
Yeah. So 25 message per hour followers. Okay.
50 a day minimum.
Okay, after I've done this, I got the sales 5 to 10K, right? Then when I'm ready to hire a person to do that for me, you suggest to be a friend.
If you can, yeah. You can do a college intern. Anyone can message. Your 7-year-old nephew can message. Like anyone can do it. So it's not a difficult skill that requires a lot of higher college degrees or anything like that, right? So that's why I say you can hire someone in the Philippines for very cheap, $4 to $7 per hour, and they're good at it. They can do it. There's just a little bit of a language barrier there. If you hire anyone in the US, it has to be college intern, like, $500 a month or something, or you just got to pay $15 an hour. But that's why I said you're not in a position to pay $15 an hour if you don't make at least that much money.
But you know how people can steal your account.
It's a fear I had too. You just got to get over it. No one's gonna, I shouldn't say no one, but you will not get your account stolen, most likely, because then that person is out of job. So why would someone steal your account and then not get paid? And then you can always reach out to Instagram, etc. But I had that fear too because I have a lot of followers. I spent years building my account. That was my baby. But you just got to get over that fear. If that's a big fear of yours, do a friend or family member if you can.
What else? So messaging. Okay, when you are doing the call and the person decided to do it, you have to send the link and the person pays at the moment they are on the call. Before they
If you let them hang up, they will not pay.
Okay, I think that's it. So for the Trainerizer, do you think it is easy to go to navigate through?
Just like anything else, you have to learn how to use it. But once you learn, it's very easy.
For me to upload my videos, do you know the format is like a horizontal or vertical? Do you know?
You could do vertical. Yeah, you could do either one. So what I do is I upload it. All my Instagram videos go to YouTube. Once they're on YouTube, I then get the YouTube link and I paste it in Trainerize. So I get 3 for 1. I post on Instagram. Instagram, I have a VA that I pay $4 a week to upload it to YouTube for me. So I have like 30,000 subscribers on YouTube. And from the YouTube link, I put it in Trainerize so that way I can make my own videos, my own video library.
Okay. But these videos that you post on social media is not the videos working out.
Not anymore. I have 500 exercise videos because that's what I used to post all the time.
Okay.
The videos that I have you do at 9 a.m., not going to be able to post in Trainerize. But like exercise demonstrations, like how to do a curl, how to squat, how to do a glute bridge, how to best form for hip thrust. That's all stuff that you can use. Instagram, YouTube, Trainerize. So form demonstrations.
Okay, I'm gonna look at your YouTube then because I haven't. Okay, is there anything else you think I should know?
I think you know what you need to do. You just gotta do it.
I'm gonna have to look through my stuff that I have, the notes, because I have a lot of templates about stuff like that. Okay, here I go again. But this time it's gonna,
You better
I'm gonna make
do
it work.